Stop wasting your money on the name Glock when these 5 legends actually offer more longevity and cost way less to keep running over the long haul. Most shooters think the Plastic King is the only game in town for durability, but they're missing out on how other brands handle extreme wear, better warranties, and lower parts costs. Everyone loves to talk about Glock Perfection, and look, nobody is saying they aren't reliable. They are legendary for a reason, often hitting over 100,000 rounds with just basic cleaning. But reliable and forever are two different things when you look at the total cost of ownership. If you're planning on shooting tens of thousands of rounds, or you want a tool that comes with a safety net that covers every repair for free, there are better options out there. We're looking at the brands that offer overbuilt metal frames, superior ergonomics, and service policies so good that your long-term maintenance costs can literally drop to zero. Stick around, because the number one spot is a literal combat veteran that has been proving its mettle on the battlefield for decades. Number 5. Canik. These Turkish-made powerhouses have earned a reputation as Glock killers for a simple reason: value. When you hit one up, you aren't just getting a firearm, you're getting a complete kit that usually includes a holster, multiple magazines, and even optics plates right out of the box. While a standard Glock might run you anywhere from $500 to $700 depending on the generation and model, you can often find these for $300 to $450. That initial savings is already a massive win for your wallet, but the real magic is in the long-term ownership. The build quality on these striker-fired pistols is surprisingly robust. Independent endurance tests and reports from high-volume shooters show that they handle high round counts with ease. Because they are designed with modern engineering and tight tolerances, they don't suffer from the frame flex you sometimes see in older polymer designs. If something does go wrong, they ship with a lifetime warranty. This is a huge deal. While other brands might charge you for shipping or parts after a year or two, having that lifetime backing means your long-term maintenance budget stays focused on ammo, not repairs. Plus, replacement parts are widely available and much cheaper than the name brand stuff you see from big European manufacturers. It's a workhorse that leaves you with more money for the range. Number 4. Ruger. This brand is famous for making guns that are, quite frankly, overbuilt. If you look at their lineup, especially the GP100 series or even their modern Security 9 pistols, there is a common theme: they are tank-like. While Glocks are designed to be as light and simple as possible, this manufacturer tends to add extra meat to the frames and internals. This extra material means the gun can handle heavy recoil and general abuse for decades without showing signs of structural fatigue. You'll often find GP100 revolvers that have been through multiple generations of a family and still lock up as tight as the day they left the factory. The cost of keeping one of these running is incredibly low because they barely break in the first place. But even if you manage to wear something down, their customer service is widely considered some of the best in the industry. They have a reputation for buy once, shoot forever because they stand behind their products so firmly. Repairs are often handled fast and frequently at no cost to the owner. When you combine that with the fact that their base prices are usually well below their competitors, we're looking at a massive win for your bank account. You get a tool that is physically more durable because of its overbuilt nature and a support system that ensures it stays in the fight for a lifetime. Before we get into the heavy hitters, hit that subscribe button for guns you can't live without so you never miss a guide on the best gear for your safe. Number 3. Smith & Wesson. When it comes to a direct rival for the polymer-framed crown, the M&P 2.0 series is a serious contender that often beats the original at its own game. These pistols have been adopted by countless law enforcement agencies because they hold up in the nastiest conditions imaginable. Whether it's dirt, mud, or extreme temperature tests, these guns have proven they can match or even beat the reliability of the gold standard. The internals are rugged and the modern engineering provides a level of durability that keeps the gun cycling through tens of thousands of rounds without a hitch. What sets this series apart is the structural reinforcement. Inside the polymer grip, there is an extended stainless steel chassis that reduces frame flex and torque during firing. This doesn't just make the gun more accurate, it reduces the stress on the polymer itself, preventing the snout pointing or warping that can happen to older plastic designs after a high round count. You're also getting a much more aggressive grip texture and better ergonomics out of the box, meaning you don't have to spend $100 on professional stippling or aftermarket grips like many people do with their Glocks. The real secret weapon here for long-term savings is the lifetime service policy. This is a standout in the industry. If you are the original owner and your gun has a defect, they take care of the repairs for free, often even covering the shipping. If you shoot any gun enough, eventually parts will need attention. With this brand, those costs can effectively stay at zero for the entire time you own the firearm. Considering you can usually find these models for $100 or even $200 less than a comparable Glock, the math is pretty clear. You're getting better ergonomics, equal or better reliability in harsh conditions, and a safety net that saves you hundreds of dollars in the long run. Number 2. CZ. If you want a gun that laughs at high round counts, you have to look at the forged steel frames found in the 75 series. While polymer is great for carrying because it's light, it simply cannot compete with the wear resistance of a forged steel frame over 50,000 or 100,000 rounds. These guns use a design where internal rails provide superior accuracy retention and structural integrity over a massive service life. Many shooters find that these exceed even the legendary endurance of their polymer competitors in grueling torture tests. The unique slide-in frame design is a major contributor to this longevity. Unlike most pistols where the slide rides on the outside of the frame, the slide rails on this brand sit inside the frame. This creates a much tighter fit with more surface area for the slide to travel on, resulting in less slop and vibration during cycling. This mechanical efficiency means the gun doesn't beat itself apart over thousands of rounds. Additionally, the cold hammer forged barrels are world-renowned for their ability to maintain match-grade accuracy even after tens of thousands of rounds of high-pressure ammunition. Maintenance on these is about as straightforward as it gets, requiring only standard field stripping and cleaning. Because this design dates back to the 1970s and is used by military and police forces worldwide, the market is flooded with affordable parts and clones. This keeps your ongoing costs down. You aren't locked into a proprietary system where only one company sells the parts you need at a premium. You can find high-quality aftermarket components for cheap, making any eventual spring swaps or upgrades very affordable. When you hold one of these, you can feel the ruggedness and the craftsmanship. It's a tool built for endurance, and because it's steel, it resists the frame wear and flex that can degrade other guns over a long enough timeline. Number 1. Beretta. Taking the top spot is a legend that has been proven in the most hostile environments on the planet for decades. The 92FS and M9 series served as the primary sidearm for the United States military for nearly 40 years. Think about that for a second. That means these guns were used in the sands of Iraq, the mountains of Afghanistan, and the humidity of tropical jungles. They are built with an all-metal alloy frame and a unique open slide design that helps prevent jams and allows the gun to cool down faster during rapid fire. This construction is inherently more resistant to the type of structural wear that eventually kills polymer guns. The longevity here is almost hard to believe. There are documented cases of these pistols going through tens of thousands of rounds with nothing more than basic lubrication. Because they were a military standard for so long, the world is absolutely swimming in parts. You can find every single pin, spring, and lever for a fraction of what you'd pay for parts from other high-end brands. This massive availability of parts, combined with a design that simply refuses to quit, makes it the cheapest lifetime gun you can own. You aren't just buying a pistol, you're buying a piece of history that was designed to survive a battlefield. It requires fewer replacements over its lifespan than almost any other handgun on the market, which is why it sits at the top of our list for longevity and low maintenance. While Glocks are fine, they aren't the only way to get a reliable tool. Whether you want the tank-like build of a Ruger, the steel precision of a CZ, or the battle-proven history of a Beretta, these 5 brands offer more for your money in the long run. They give you better materials, better warranties, and lower costs for parts, making them the smarter choice for anyone looking to build a collection that actually lasts. Maintenance doesn't have to be expensive if you pick a brand that's built to endure from the start. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Guns You Can't Live Without to stay updated on the toughest firearms on the market.